Welcome to Dori of the Nile. I'll be reading to you a voice from ancient Egypt, preserved in ink and memory. So find a quiet space, breathe in deeply, and let the echoes begin. Sesh en at Yamenet, Ahau Bau Necheru, Shuut Ahu Ireru. Rech bau duatiu, rech ireru, rech sehau sen en ra, rech bau shetau, rech unut nechiru sen, rech juief en sen, rech sebau waut, apepet necher a hersen, rech shemet unut necherusen, rech washiu hetemiu.